This is the latest generation of Apple's storage expansion solution. It deeply inherits the Mac aesthetic and seamlessly integrates into your Mac desktop. Mac users' workflow greatly improves with it. From now on, storage and interfaces will become more effortless. They can be combined in a daisy chain form, enabling multiple expansions in both high capacity and various interfaces, transforming the Mac into a super workstation and unlocking its versatility for work. You will be able to simultaneously expand 40 terabytes of cold data for backup and seamlessly edit 8 terabytes of hot data, achieving the flexibility to change hard drives at any time, and multiple overlaying significantly reduces the expansion threshold. Unlimited expansion of your creative space. Start your journey of high-definition multimedia creativity now. A 3A level masterpiece? No longer a challenge. Capacity concerns are a thing of the past. Of course, it expands to 4K or 8K for a wide view, enabling multi-screen work, one for editing and another for reference, doubling efficiency. What? Expand to create an ultra-wide gaming screen. That's definitely cool. Not only that, we've upgraded the I/O ports to match the 10 gigabits per second speed of the iPhone 15 Pro. Interacting with your iPhone 15 Pro or other Apple devices becomes much faster. Its commonly used interfaces are placed on the front for easier access. The aluminum alloy body shares the same texture as Apple devices, with improved heat dissipation performance. Unlock more considerate designs awaiting you.